Hi, my name is Nathaniel Hanson,
And my name is Kendrick Cancio.
and we are your lead instructors for the Autonomous Air Vehicle Racing course. This course provides a holistic introduction to unmanned aerial vehicles, more commonly known as UAVs or drones. Throughout the course, you'll be challenged to think deeply about the complexities of software systems needed to operate an autonomous platform. The course begins with an introduction to UAVs. We examine the electrical, software, and aerodynamic characteristics of our platform and discuss the trade-offs involved in building systems suited for a variety of use cases. You'll gain experience in building and debugging code using our cutting-edge robotic software and simulation environment.
Building on that knowledge, we'll then venture into the field of computer vision. We'll leverage onboard sensors to process visual cues from the world around our drones. We'll need this to detect and avoid obstacles, as well as read QR codes. Underlying all of this is the mathematics of stable flight. We'll dive into a bit of control theory and write code that will be used to guide the UAV towards goals in a challenging environment. All of these topics converge into a single challenge, a race, where each team will have the opportunity to show off what they've learned. Our cutting-edge virtual racing environment will challenge you to integrate your knowledge into a fully autonomous system.
Get ready,
Get set,
go.